Meeyam ki Punsi Amadi Lan Thum Mapung Phana Ngak Shennaba Chaba Thourang Paikhatle HAINA Manipur LEINGAK ki Security Advisor KULDIEP SINGH na PHONGDOKKHRE. Lamdam asida hosde oiragli ba phibam asiga mari leinana Manipur ki Security Advisor KULDIEP SINGH na mayai tangpal lauraga tongan ba Security Force Singh ge makok thongba official Singh yauba Security Review Meeting ama ngasi nungtil Manipur Secretariat South Block ki conference for the pangthokre. Manipur Police ki DGP, Indian Army, Assam Rifles, BSF, CRPF, SSB amadi ITBP ki makok thongba official kaya yauna pangthokiba security review adu hek loibaga pangthokpa paugi mifam amada security advisor KULDIEP SINGH na hai hauzik status sida oiriba phibam asigi matangda ngasi tongan ba security force ki makok thongba official singa loinana security review meeting ama pangthoklei. Meeting aduna Imphal City yauna status sigi district khudingmakta paikhatkadaba security arrangement ki matangda kumna khanaki. Status sigi apunba Central Security Force Company chamaga marifutara nipan leiriba sigi mathakta aihen ba Central Security Force Company marifutara amaga tharaklagane pasigi manungda company humputara rom amade Imphal di yauraklei. Nauna Tharakliba Company Marifutara Ase Tharagadi Status Sida Punna Central Security Force Company Chaniga Marifutara Nipan Surei. Meeyam ki Punsi Amadi Lan Thum Ngak Shennaba Security Force Sing tongan ba Mapum Singh da thambagi thabak akan mamong da honari. Mapum Chaba Singh da Security Force thambagi thabak ase athuba matam da loisilagani. Maragasi da Security ki thabak thoram Singh mai pangna pangthong na ba District Singh da District Coordination Cell Singh hangbaga loinana. Joint Control Room Singh su hangdoklei. Amaromda irang leiba mapam amadi National Highway Singh ningthina Ngak Shennaba akhanaba SOP Singh semduna madu Ngak na Shennaba Thourang Paikhatle HAINA su mahana makha take.
You have known by now that we are getting approximately 90 companies of force extra over and above which was the actual deployment here. 198 companies were earlier. 70 more companies are coming and a sizable portion of that has already reached Imphal. The life and properties of the citizens and vulnerable areas and vulnerable points. All these will be covered within a few days, and to provide all kinds of protection and security to the citizens, we will be making foolproof arrangements. We will be making district coordination cell and joint control room in each district, as well as whatever joint control room and coordination apparatus is already functioning in the state. We have reviewed that also. Number of SOPs have been prepared for deployment of forces, for coordination, for functioning, for fringe area security, for national highway security, and for any other important point which is to be taken care of.
Shakhang daba Singna State Armory dagi laukiba kulai Singh recover tawbagi matang amade Joribam da thokiba thodok adugi matangda Paumi Singh na hangba wahang amagi paukhum piraduna Security Advisor KULDIEP SINGH na makha tar hai State Armory dagi lakiba kulai Singh gi manungda hauzik fawbugi oina puna kutlai lising ahum rom recover tawre hiramasiga mari lainana Security Force Singh na ching amade tamge tongan ba mafam Singh da pak sana search operation leptana chathari Hauzik lamdam asida thokliba irang asida puna miyoi chaniga yankhai nipan laikhidre Joribam da thokiba thodok aduda suda yauba lalholup yaubra haibadugi Chap Chaba report hauzik maki oina leitri Joribam da thokiba thodok adugi matangda case ahum laukhatuna NIA da sinakre case asi hauzik NIA na kumna thigale hauzik fawbugi oina thodok asiga mari lainana mi phami pun tawba mata leitri mafam asida paktaknana Security Force Singh na combing operation chathari haina sumana makataki
Out of looted weapons, approximately 3,000 have been recovered till now. Operations are going on, combing operations are going on regular basis. In each area, all the officers sit together, plan it out, and then they go for operations. During that time, what has happened, armed militant, that day in encounter, armed militants attacked the CRPF post. That attack was spotted. You know that. So that is there. Whether they are Sioux or not, we do not have any that information at the moment. But we will verify what you are saying. We will verify and take appropriate action. 3 cases have been are being investigated, and those 3 cases have been handed over to NIA. NIA is now investigating the case, and they will definitely come up with the further developments. And we are doing combing operations continuously in that area and investigating it further. NIA is coming up with the investigation. They have got certain way to proceed with the investigation, and as and when they require help for arrest of the people, we will provide that help and arrest people.